Do you like solving puzzles? Maybe you would fit perfectly into the chemistry and biochemistry program at the University of Northern Iowa. Chemists are the people who transform the everyday materials around us into amazing things. Some chemists work on cures for cancer, while others monitor the ozone, protecting us from the sun. Still others discover new materials to make our homes warmer in the winter, or new textiles to be used in the latest fashions. The knowledge gained through the study of chemistry opens many career pathways. The Department of Chemistry and Biochemistry at the University of Northern Iowa enjoys the reputation of having one of the top undergraduate programs in the nation. For the past several years, it has graduated more bachelor chemists than any other college or university in the state of Iowa.
It's a huge benefit to have smaller classes and to know your professors, because you're going to want to go in and talk to them, and you're going to want to ask questions during class because sometimes they get a little ahead of you. And when there's only 20 other people in the class, it's easier to ask them a question or to really get to know them, so that you get that experience of having an expert on a face-to-face basis. Like if you want to do research, if you want to TA, you will have those opportunities here. And I think that's what sets you and I apart from other schools.
With the BS program accredited by the American Chemical Society in both chemistry and biochemistry, those completing that degree routinely attend the best graduate or professional schools in the country to continue their education. Those earning the BA Teaching and Chemistry Marketing degrees can enter the professional workplace or continue their education in professional schools such as medicine or law.
I am currently at Des Moines University, which is an osteopathic medical school, and you and I gave me a very good foundation with that by giving me all the background classes for the chemistry, biology, all the electives that I wanted to take, and just providing me with very good resources to get involved with the school through the American Chemical Society student group, other groups on campus, as well as getting to know professors on a very individual basis and helping with letters of recommendation, having them help me get different internships set up and experience that way to be able to let me get into Des Moines in the first place.
Housed in the upper floor of McCollum Science Hall, the department has the latest instrumentation, teaching, and research facilities to benefit the students who elect to be chemistry majors, as well as others who need a fundamental understanding of chemical principles in majors outside the department. Recently, a $16.9 million addition to the building was completed, providing additional research space and new instructional laboratories. Nanoscience equipment purchased through a gift from the Roy J. Carver Charitable Trust and grants from the Department of Defense are used in undergraduate instruction in nanoscience and nanotechnology. New general chemistry teaching laboratories feature enough fume hoods with associated computers so that every pair of students can work in a hood and also take data digitally. Students also have access to the 400 megahertz nuclear magnetic resonance spectrometer, which identifies chemical compounds and determines their structure, employs an intense magnetic field generated by a superconducting magnet. The facilities and resources are in place to help you succeed.
Since it is such a smaller university, that the students have a lot more hands-on opportunity than the bigger universities do, and from my experience, I would agree with that 100%. I have friends that I went to high school with that go to Iowa and Iowa State in not necessarily chemistry, but in a natural science degree, and they are blown away by the opportunities that I've had as far as research and instrumentation that I've been able to get my hands on. You could say that I'm pretty much in charge of my own research here, even though I'm under the advisement of Dr. Elbert, but there's a lot of freedom in what I want to do.
At UNI, faculty lead every classroom and laboratory research project and includes individuals trained in organic, inorganic, analytical, physical, biochemistry, and chemistry education. Both undergraduate and graduate students have opportunities to do research as an integral part of their training, with the Summer Undergraduate Research Program allowing students the chance to complete projects with a faculty mentor that can be presented at national meetings of the American Chemical Society.
I did the summer research program here for the chemistry department with one of the biochemistry programs, and did the summer research, made the poster presentation, wrote a paper with that, and went to the symposium here, and then we also went to the national conference in Chicago the next year, where we presented that in front of the National Chemical Society. Just gave us a chance to see what all the different research programs that were going on and how diverse it was and what you could go into.
As a chemistry student at UNI, you will learn chemistry by doing, performing hands-on experiments, using modern instrumentation, and even designing your own experiments. The faculty are available and eager to help you both with specific questions about chemistry and larger questions about career development. The bottom line is that chemistry is an exciting and challenging field, and UNI has a strong and supportive environment that will prepare you for a successful future.